Layer 2 MAC tables. Network switches and access points connect hosts on the same local network and move traffic according to information stored in their MAC tables. Also known as the Content Addressable Memory or CAM table, the MAC table keeps track of the interfaces or ports on which a given MAC address can be reached. For example, a frame arrives on switch port 1 with the source MAC of host A. After updating the MAC table with host A's MAC on port 1, the switch will take one of three actions regarding the frame. If the destination MAC is already mapped to a particular port, then the switch will forward the frame to that particular port, and only that port. If, however, no entry exists in the MAC table for the destination MAC, then the switch will flood the frame out all local ports except the port on which the frame was received, so as to avoid endless loops of traffic on the network. A switch will also flood should the Layer 2 broadcast address be used as the destination MAC address, that is, FFFFFFFFFF. As source traffic begins to populate on the network, the switch continues to update its MAC table in order to forward traffic rather than flood every time. Lastly, a switch may also filter the frame according to its destination and/or source MAC address when the switch is configured with a MAC address access control list, or MAC ACL for short. The Forward Information Base, or FIB for short, allows a router to look up the interface on which it forwards a packet received on a given interface. The source and destination MAC addresses in the Layer 2 frame are rewritten in order to enable traffic to pass across each local segment when moving data across networks. The MAC table only fills with Layer 2 addresses, that is, addresses belonging to hosts and interfaces inside the LAN. In this way, whenever a host needs to reach another host on a different network, it sends the frame across the local segment to its local gateway. At Layer 2, the destination MAC is the gateway, but at Layer 3, the destination IP address belongs to the intended recipient host on the different network. At Layer 2, the gateway then determines, according to MAC entries in its FIB, the local interface on which it should forward the rebuilt frame in order to reach the intended recipient.